Hi there, I'm Gwen Polakowski, and this is Getting Comfortable Using LinkedIn. In this very first episode, I want to talk to you about the cultural shift that you might experience while using LinkedIn. This cultural shift might be a little bit different for you, so here's what it might feel like. Let me explain, first of all, that the purpose of LinkedIn is to show you as an individual, your individual self, and not you as a member of a company or as a part of a team. This is about you as a person individually, as a professional. So there's a really heavy emphasis on sharing your own ideas and your own individual work rather than that of your employers. So this shift, I hope, will help you and it will help your career growth, because you won't be limited to just the opportunities that come from your current employer, but this opportunity on LinkedIn will open you up to all kinds of other opportunities, including those in English-speaking countries. So that's a good thing, right? Now, the cultural shift that you're going to experience, it is this mindset of promoting yourself individually. And that might be a bit different. It might feel a bit strange, but this is where we're going to start. So I want you to start your LinkedIn journey by thinking about your individual goal. Where do you want your career to take you? If you want to live and work in an English-speaking country, what do you want to do? Think about that, and then you can build your LinkedIn profile and your LinkedIn interactions to help you with that. So who do you want to read about? What knowledge do you need to build the skills that you need to move forward in your career? This is the very best part of LinkedIn. It helps you to know that you have power as an individual, and it gives you the opportunity to expand your knowledge on your own. You are not limited by whatever company you work for. That is just a part of your ongoing career. So this is step one. We're going to keep working on getting comfortable with LinkedIn. I'll see you in the next episode.